Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute unicorn valentines. Whether you have kids or not, these would be a super cute little craft that you could make either for a classroom Valentine exchange or just for something cute and unique to give to a friend. If you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and you'll get notified as soon as I post new content. Now let me show you how to make these adorable unicorn valentines.
For this project, you're going to need some foam hearts. I found these ones at Michael's. Then you're going to need some twisty candy. I found these at Party City. Some glittery foam. I found this at Michael's. Some rainbow thinner yarn. Scissors. A Sharpie. Some more string. And these labels, I'll leave a link to the free printable in the description box below. A glue gun. And you're ready to go. So first take one of the foam hearts and draw some sleepy unicorn eyes and a nose on it just like this, and then fold it in half and use the scissors to cut a little slit on the top. This will be for the twisty candy horn. And then take some of the rainbow yarn and wrap it around your fingers about 8 to 10 times. Then cut it and cut another piece about 5 inches long, and you're going to wrap this piece around the loops you've created just like this and tie a knot. Then take your scissors and cut the loops just like this to create your beautiful rainbow unicorn mane. And then put a little dab of hot glue in the center of the heart like this and attach the mane to the glue just like this. Then you're going to take your twisty rainbow candy and put it in the slit you created at the top of the heart like this, and this makes the unicorn's beautiful rainbow horn. Then cut some small ear shapes out of your glittery gold foam. So I cut one and then used it as a pattern to create the other one. And then you're going to take your glue gun once again and put a little strip of hot glue on the bottom of the ear pieces, and then attach them to the unicorn just above the eyes and on top of the mane just like this. And that is your little heart unicorn. Now, if you want to give these out as a classroom treat, you can print out the free labels that I'll leave in the description box below and cut them out like this. Make a little hole with a hole punch in the top, and then just put some string or some yarn through and tie that label to the bottom of the unicorn treat. And then you can put the name of the recipient and yourself onto the label. And that is it. That's how you create this adorable little Valentine unicorn. It is so easy and cute and inexpensive, and my daughters absolutely loved these. They can't wait to give them as gifts.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below who you would give this little unicorn Valentine treat to. Make sure to share this video if you enjoyed it as well, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye.